for my appointment. Sorry, I'm just a little bit late. Traffic. Hi, morning. What's your first and last name so I can see what time your appointment was at? It's Stacy Smith with Lil Floofy Doofy over here. Okay, and seeing that you're 45 minutes late, we did already mark your appointment as a no-show. Yes, like I said, just a little bit late. Thanks. Unfortunately, we do only have a 5-minute grace period and we have moved on to the next appointment, so we're going to need to reschedule your appointment. Well, yeah, my appointment was at 10 and now it's 10:45, -5 carried the 5-minute grace period. Thanks. Yeah, we're not going to be able to see you today. I do apologize for the inconvenience. 10 o'clock is the last time we see appointments because then the doctors go into surgery right after. So you're saying that I drove all this way in the midst of traffic, in the midst of everything else going on in my life, and you guys can't see me even though I have an appointment? Yes, ma'am. Yes, that is exactly what I'm saying. No, that doesn't make sense. I made an appointment. I have it in my calendar right here that this is my appointment time. Right, and as you can see in your calendar right there, your appointment was 10 o'clock. It is 10:45 again. Well, when will you be able to see me then? I just don't have time for this. I literally don't have time to bring the dog back in here because you can't see me right now. Ma'am, I'm not going to ask you again, and I'm not going to stand up here and fight with you. Would you like to reschedule your appointment or no? 2 options. I'll just have to give you a call back later when it's convenient for my schedule. I guess I have to drive all the way home 5 minutes down the road and beat all of the traffic home. Sounds good. Have a good 5-minute drive home. We're all checked in for your tech appointment. If you just want to take a seat, they should be right up. Okay, thanks. And what doctor am I going to be seeing today? So it looks like you're just scheduled for a nail trim. You won't be seeing the doctor today. You'll just be seeing a tech. Okay, well now I want to see the doctor. I have concerns about his paw, this growth on his tail. He's had diarrhea for a few months now. Lots of things. I need to see the doctor. Okay, so since you are just down for a tech visit, it looks like the wait to see a doctor would be about an hour because we are already fully booked for the day. I'm not sure if you are really listening because I have an appointment for right now, so I want to see the doctor right now. Yes, you do have an appointment right now, but you have an appointment right now with the tech, not with the doctor. That doesn't matter because I have concerns for the doctor and I can hear him in that room right there, so I want to see him right now. Yes, you can hear the doctor in that room because he's with a patient right now. Yeah, and then he has one right after you and a few others. Again, you're more than welcome to be a work-in, but that's all that I can offer you. I just think that this is terrible customer service because I have an appointment. So why am I having to wait for a different appointment when I already have, you guessed it, an appointment? Well, I don't think anything that I'm saying is gonna be helpful. So how about I just go ahead and get the manager? Okay, I'll be right back. Hi, welcome into the vet clinic right before we close. How may I help you? Hi, you're still open, right? You're not closed quite yet? Correct, we do close in about 10 minutes. So what can I do for you today? My dog just needs a nail trim. It'll be so fast. My name is Karen Smith, Floofy Doofy. His vaccines are up to date. Won't take long at all. Please, before you close. Yeah, let me just make sure that there's still some technicians in the back. Floofy Doofy, let's see. Perfect. Okay, I have you all down on the schedule for a nail trim. They should be right up. Oh my goodness, you are such a lifesaver, darling. Thank you so much. We'll take a seat until they're ready. Hey, Ashley, can you come here real quick? Hey, Amanda, how's everything going? Are they about to finish with their nail trim and I can go ahead and get them checked out? Yeah, that's actually what I came up here to talk to you about. Oh no. What is it? It's definitely not your fault. I just wanted to let you know, the doctor was still back there when we were about to do the nail trim. It looks like his paw, he has a torn nail. And the doctor wants to do x-rays. Hopefully we don't have to sedate for any treatment, but he's not letting us anywhere near his paw. It looks really badly infected too. She said it was a few days ago and the bleeding, it's still bleeding. So there's a lot of concerns. She can't afford the emergency room. She's a lifelong client. So the doctor's gonna stay and treat it here. But I just wanted to let you know it's probably gonna be a bit longer. Of course, the nail trim turned into possible sedation and radiographs. Okay, yeah, that's totally fine. I'm glad we're able to help her. I'll just go ahead and cancel my dinner plans, yeah. Okay. Thanks for calling the vet clinic during a holiday weekend. How may I help you? Hi, I need to go ahead and extend my dog's boarding. Okay, I can't guarantee that we're gonna have room to extend your dog's boarding, but what's your first and last name and I can take a look. Well, you better. I'm not gonna be able to pick them up anyways, so you're gonna have to extend it. Again, I can see if we can try. We have been booked to max capacity for a few months now, so It really just depends on the dates that you're wanting to change, if they coincide with the dates that other people are arriving and leaving. But what's your first and last name? It's always such an issue calling and needing things. My name is Amanda Smith, and instead of picking him up on Friday, I need to pick him up on Monday. Okay, I do see your reservation right here. Okay, yeah, unfortunately, we don't have any room to hold him over the weekend. It is a holiday, again, and we've been booked up for quite a while now. I'm sorry. Okay, well, just go ahead and cancel someone else's reservation. That's fine. Ma'am, I'm not going to cancel someone else's reservation to accommodate for your new reservation. But I can't pick him up on Friday. I need to pick him up on Monday. I didn't think it was hard just to go ahead and change your reservation. Do you have someone that can maybe pick him up for you on Friday? Or there are other clinics in the area. Maybe somebody else has room for you. This is just absolutely ridiculous. I'm actually mind blown right now that you're not able to help me, because by extending the reservation, that would be making you more money. So what's the issue? It wouldn't technically be making us any more money because we are already booked to max capacity. We don't have any overrun rooms at all. Again, I do apologize. If this was any other weekend, we probably would be able to accommodate, but it is a holiday weekend and we've been booked out for months now. Yeah. Well, what would happen if I just didn't pick him up and left him? Then what? Ma'am, it'd be so for real right now. It'd be so for real right now. Welcome into the vet clinic. Shut up. I know what I want. 2 seconds, I'll be gone. Just stop. Sure thing. I'll just shut up. Looks like you're going to the food. Most of it's on back order, but I'm sure you'll come up here and yell at me in just a second. La la la, none of my business. Hey, lady, I need help over here. Oh, am I allowed to speak now and help you and do my job? Or do you want to just keep looking? Sorry, I'm just in a hurry. My wife sent me up here. I don't know what I'm looking for. This is the food that I'm looking for. I don't see it. Where is it? Okay, yes, it looks like you're trying to get the WD. It is on back order and we are out of stock, but I can print you off a written script and you can take it. There's some Petco's, PetSmarts, other food stores in the area that may have it. That is so inconvenient. I don't have time to be driving around all day looking for this damn food. Sure thing, and the food's back ordered, so there's nothing that I can do for you. Do you want a written script or no? I'll just order it online because this is absolutely ridiculous. Sure thing. You think you'll be able to get it even though it's back ordered and we can't get it? Go ahead and try. Go ahead and try. Oh. Well, I guess you're not lying to my face. I'll just take that written script. Thanks. Okay, yep, I'll print that off for you. My best advice to you would be to call the places that you're going to make sure that they have it first so you don't terrorize them. Have a good day.